The cow's cooker. A cow was living in a forest. She had a cooker for cooking, and whenever any animal needed the cooker, the cow never refused to give it. After cooking, they always returned the cooker to the cow. In this way, every animal in the forest became a friend of the cow. One day, a fox became jealous of the cow and decided to steal the cooker. She went to the cow's house and said, "Dear cow, I need your cooker for cooking." The cow became happy and gave her the cooker. The fox took the cooker and started running. She was cooking and dancing with joy. After she finished cooking, she hid the cooker under some leaves. A few days later, the cow came and said, "Fox, I need my cooker for cooking. If it is free, please give it back to me." The fox replied, "I'm sorry, dear cow. I have lost your cooker." The cow became upset, started crying, and returned to her house. The next day, when the fox was uncovering the cooker from the leaves, a goat suddenly came and said, "This is the cow's cooker. Why have you covered it with leaves?" The fox said, "Yes, this is the cow's cooker, but I needed it for cooking. I covered it yesterday to keep it clean from dust." One day later, when the fox was uncovering the cooker again, the lion's child suddenly came and said, "Why have you covered this with leaves?" The fox replied nervously, "Dear, I need it for cooking. I covered it to keep it clean from dust." After these situations, the fox thought, if the king of the forest finds out that I stole the cow's cooker, he will banish me from the forest. I can't cook peacefully. When I hadn't stolen the cooker, I used to cook without fear. Also, the goat and the lion's child know the cooker is with me. If the cow learns the truth, she will complain to the lion. I must return the cooker. Finally, the fox took the cooker and went to the cow's house. She gave the cooker back and said, "Dear cow, thank you for your patience. I found your cooker and I am returning it to you." The cow became happy and took her cooker.